Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT J5, and today I'll show you how to format an SD card on this device. So to get started, you want to open up Settings and then navigate into Storage. Right here, and then you should see your SD card, which I see mine right here, SanDisk SD. You want to tap on it and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Storage Settings. And you will see a couple options, but the one that interests us is the Format. So let's tap on Format. You'll get a message what this will accomplish and what are the results of it. So basically all the data will be lost. And once you're prepared for that, you can just tap on Format SD card, get a little progress of formatting. And in a moment, once it's finished, we should see formatting complete or something of this sort. So your SD card is ready to use. Tap on Done, and the process is now fully finished. So that is how you would format an SD card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.